This patio is going to be replaced with new concrete, and we are going to reinstall this diamond shaped pattern. The new concrete will have 4,000 psi concrete, and we will install reinforcing bars to prevent future settlement.
Wow, that made it look mucho bonito.
Hi, my name is Eric Eppeling. I live at 508 Manor Road in Wynwood, Pennsylvania. Vince Douglas and Dependable Concrete came and did a fantastic job for me. That my pad here was crumbling. This house was built in 1930. We've lived here for 16 years, and the pad was crumbling. It had sunk. Our threshold was breaking up. Air was leaking under the door to our front house, and our sidewalk used to be closer to the house, and it was at different heights, and water would pool by the corner of the house, and it was just a real mess. And so we took on for what for us was a big project. I called around. I had 10 different contractors come here to give me an estimate. Vince came, had a great offer, and could help me out right away. He could accommodate me in the month of July, where everyone else said I had to wait. He came as scheduled, did a fantastic job, as you can see, and just I'm really appreciative, and I recommend him highly to anyone who wants to work with him. He's a great guy.